Hey everybody, today I want to talk to you about 2 computer tips that are very important and that will make your computer better and your computer experience better. My name is Mike Locascio and I help people maintain their computer and repair their computer. Today's first tip is get a program that will correct your writing, and it's called Grammarly, and you can get that free. Grammarly is an extension on your browser that anything you do on your computer, if you spell a word wrong, it will tell you the correct spelling. You just click on the underlined highlighted word and it will put the good word right in there, correctly spelled. The second tip that I want to give you is next to your clock on your computer screen, there's an up arrow, and click that up arrow and right click on all the programs that are running in the tray and click close. Close all the programs that are running in your tray and it will speed up your computer some, because those programs are running in the background and they need to be off. So check the tray, make sure you uninstall those programs by closing them out. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. I bring tips every few days on how to be better with your computer, how to maintain your computer, and I'd love you to be part of my channel. This is Mike Locascio. Thanks again for watching my channel. Talk to you in the next video.